Oh no, we have dropped a butt connector.
What are you doing?
We are putting butt connectors on here.
But what?
No, butt connector.
What? That's the wrong motor.
But it is the wrong motor.
Ready? Yeah. Hello world. I am broadcasting from about 15 feet off of the highway in a two-wheel drive sports car that thought we could make it, but we didn't make it. The funniest part of this all is that I said to Eric, it's weird we don't see any cars in the ditch. And now we are one. But we do have pizza, so we will survive for at least a day or so. Find out.